From beautiful South Lake Tahoe today. I'm up with the RDS students, which is the Rock Discipleship School. It's a discipleship school we do at the Rock of Roseville for 18 to 21-year-olds. I have about 18 students, and this is the end of our year retreat, so I get to come up here and spend quality time with them. And I just love spending time with these guys. I just think that every time I talk to them, I just think, man, if I knew at your age what you know, I mean, I just think that I'd be a totally different person. My life would be different, and it's inspiring to see them, because I just wonder, how are you going to change the world? Like, this is an entire group of life changers and world changers, and they rock my socks. I love getting to spend time with them. It's a little bit hard on my 180 days because although this is a retreat, I spend the majority of the time working. So I have to cook food for 30 kids, and 30 people, including kids, leadership, adults, babysitters, and students. I have about 30 people that I'm cooking for, and it's hard to eat healthy in that kind of manner. I mean, I make substitutions, but I can't exactly follow my normal regimen when I'm up in Tahoe and not with my blender and my green drinks and all that kind of stuff. But I think that there should be exceptions to every rule. Like, even in the midst of this 180 days, my heart is still obedient, and I'm still trying to make good choices and eat less and do more active things, even if I'm not staying on a strict paleo diet every single day. And I think that the Lord recognizes our intent so much more than we ever recognize. I think that He sees the yes in our heart, and even though it doesn't always work out the way that we want it to, He's after our yes. He's after our choices. He's after who we choose to be. And I think that as long as our intention is always to be better, I think He recognizes that. There's a quote by Bill Johnson on my blog today, and it was, um, our internal reality can become our external reality. Like, it dictates what we see around us, who we see ourselves as, the choices that we make, and the relationships that we have in our lives. Everything that we believe internally is our external reality, and that's what Jesus tells us. We have the power of life in our words, and more than any other season, I've definitely noticed that in this one. So speak kindly, believe in yourself, and until next time.